jolly, be and happy. Happy and jolly, jolly, be and happy. Happy and jolly,
Smile.
jolly, be and happy. Happy.
Okay. So alam ko lahat ng keyboard.
Yes.
Pero what of you? Ayan.
Yes,
Sige.
best performer
Oo.
namin.
Okay, nalibog ko sa girls kayo na ay duha.
Duha ka best
Oo.
performer.
Yes, okay girls, it's your turn first.
Okay, ang boys mag-steady lang sa ang
Okay.
girls na sa itong pasayawon.
Kamusta girls? And 1, 2, 3, go!
Jolly, jolly, be and happy. Happy and jolly, jolly, be and happy. Happy.
Okay, so congratulations to
Tang tagal.
yes, to Abby, Paula, Nina, and Frankie.
Yeah, happy for winners.
Come here.
Okay, mga best
And
performers.
the boys all welcome.
Okay, so boys, si Kuya Wellness of si Kuya Ian.
Yes, come here, girl.
Okay, mga children. Okay, pwede na mag-bigay sa inyo, boys.
Okay, asa ba itong gamay nga banda?
Si Kuya Jazz. So now, our second game, pwede na mag-appeal silang Mommy, Daddy, Ate, and Kuya of mga kids. Okay, you can take your seats. Yes, sana yung mga toys sila. Okay, silang Mommy sa
Yes.
Yes, bunch.
Again, are you ready now for the premium?
Yeah. Okay, so now, first, bring me a 25 centavo. Pachinko, centavo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Si Daddy. Okay, Daddy. Nakay toy. Pangalan ni Daddy.
Pangalan? Denver.
Denver. Si Daddy Denver. Ang ato ngayon. Yes, binatan sa takang Daddy Denver.
Okay, next. Now, Homan, bring me here a. Okay. Prepare cell phone.
Salmon!
1,
2, 3, 4. Oo. Feeling prepared si Ate Nina.
Ate Nina, this, okay, this is for you na kay Nani. Wala ka. Wala ka. Okay, so next. Homan, bring me here a. Okay, ayan. Take out everybody. Okay, silang Mami Bet. Mami, kung prepared yun. A lipstick.
Lipstick ni Mommy.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay.
Mahal si Aloha. Yes.
Thank you, Miss Papa and Rocky. Anana. Okay, come here. Dito na po. Okay, next. Go, Kuya Kim, it's your turn.
Bring me a... Okay, kabalo ko, nagapan niya silang Mommy.
Yes.
Bring me, or si Daddy, bring me a comb. Stood light. 1,